freeze up. Remember this position while she's on it. You can use your other arm. Keep your thumb out of the way. Perfect, but keep a hold of it and keep leverage on it. The idea is the same as the ball. It goes still, as still as possible. Right, baby. Alright, go ahead and freeze up and face me. Use your other arm if you have to. Ows! And then hold it. Careful swinging her when she's kicked. There, now you can swing her. Go ahead and swing her real high. Lift her up high, high, high. There you go.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, go ahead and flip it. There we go, good. Flat. Out. Alright, back to Noah. We're going to do a different